Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Great. Um, Sir, I will proceed with the demo. Before that, I'll just quickly demonstrate you the website as well so that
Okay.
we are clear on the requirement. Please confirm if you're able to see my screen.
Yes, go ahead.
Great. Thank you. So, MixCertificate is a certificate generation platform, and using this, you can generate any kind of certificate that you need. We have multiple models. There are two ways we generally do the certification from the platform. One is with QR code, it's called digital certificate.
Mm,
Uh, in this, everything is digital. You have bulk generation, you have bulk emailing, and then second one is pro certificate, in which you have bulk generation and emailing, but you also have dynamic QR code via
mm,
which the certificate can be verified by anyone who has the certificate and can scan the QR code.
mm,
So using this, all the kind of duplication stops, because someone can change the name but they can't really change the name in our server. So what
mm,
happens that it creates additional layer of security, which basically puts your company in high authority position, and no one gets to duplicate that certificate.
mm,
The features that we have is very simple and clear. You have certificate generation. You can take your existing certificate, you can map it, and mapping basically means that you can map the variable on anything that changes. For example, let's say the name of the candidate is changing. In that case, we will have to map a variable, and once the variable is mapped, then you can do the bulk generation, and you can generate 50, 100, 200, 10, whatever the requirement is. Based on that, you'll be able to generate and send them. Personalized templates is basically that you have option to customize the template completely. You can
mm,
bring your own template which you are already using in your business,
mm,
or you can create one from scratch, and then you can use that and you can do the generation. You have the third one is swift delivery, which means that in olden days you had to wait for certificate to be generated and you were distributing one by one. But with the software, what happens that the moment certificate is generated, it gets sent to the candidate directly, so you don't have to wait for it. It just gets sent via email. So while you are uploading your data, there are two important data points. One is the name, which is full name as variable, and then email, which is business email. So once certificates are generated, they directly get to send. Next one is web based. Web based means that you don't need to install any kind of software in your computer or even your team member's computer. You can simply log in to makecertificate.com, and from here you'll be able to do everything that's needed, and you don't need a very high end configuration computer. You can just use normal computer and a browser, and this works completely fine. uh, you can invite a manager if you have a manager, and this basically allows you to design certificate or create new campaigns, create new certificates, and send it to candidates. Verified authenticity is associated with the QR code feature that I told you earlier. We also have option to send data over API, via which the data can be sent to any kind of third party software, which might be CRM, or if you have any kind of custom ERP solution where you want this data to be sent, that can be done as well. We have quick dashboard in which you'll be able to track the number of certificates generated. And social media feature is something that's very very valuable. In olden days, the certificates were going and they were sitting in the envelope, they were sitting in the bag. But now you have, we have innovated it so much that each certificate becomes a marketing material for you. Any students can add these certificates on LinkedIn, and once they add it on LinkedIn, their colleagues see that, their friends see that, and they get to see, okay, this person has completed a new course. What is this course about? And then they see that, and they basically visit your website. Or even better, they call you and they ask you that, hey, what is the course price? And then that's a lead for you, and it is basically doing marketing. So earlier you had a certificate that was just going and sitting there, but now you have a certificate which is bringing you some leads, giving you some branding that someone has completed the course, and they can quickly visit the website from there. So these are the core features that we have. Do you have any question till here?
No, you can go ahead.
Thank you. Let's quickly log in. To log in, simply you have to click here, and
Okay.
then I have I have one account for you,
Mm.
and this is contacts, total certificates, total designs, and total events. What this means is you have contacts, total number of students who have been associated,
Mm.
total certificates that you have designed, total certificates that are issued, and then total number of designs you have, and then total events.
Mm.
Right now it is completely looking blank. What we'll
Mm.
do is we'll create a new process. We'll go here, and from here we'll be able to take a new design. So please allow me a moment. I'll just quickly pull the PDF and design it in front of you.
Okay.
Tarun, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please forward the template that was forwarded to you
Sure, sir.
once? Okay, I got it. So I will share you the whole process here. So
Oh,
I have set of files here, and this time I'm, by the way, also recording the demo for you, if you, in case you want to refer it later as well.
okay.
So this is the certificate.
Yes.
Let's point it out. So we got this as variable which has to be changed.
Mm.
Now what we'll do is we will open this and we will convert this into a JPEG format,
Mm.
PDF to JPEG.
Mm.
I want to convert to high. It's a free tool. It will just quickly do this stuff. Okay, great. Now what I will do is I'll go here. This is the JPEG file converted.
Okay.
what we'll do now is we'll put a white stripe. And now we need to put a variable. We'll simply go to variable. We'll take full name as variable and we'll place it here. If you have to customize it, we can simply put it bold. We can make it a little bit gray. And if we have to increase the font, I think the font is fine, but in case if you have to increase it, we can increase it. We'll keep this spacing a little bit higher because sometimes the names can be bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, and based on it, I think this can still be reduced to 110. So we are good. Now we'll go to dynamic section, and in dynamic section you have
QR code.
QR code. Yes, here this QR code, once the account is created, it should be verified, but I will just show you for now the process of how it works. Okay, on design level. So we'll go here, I'll pull a text here. Okay, design have been saved. Once design have been saved, a new button will appear here. We need to do bulk generation. Okay, we will write generally. We can put a date, how long the course was done. If it is done for like 1 month, we can just backdate this stuff here. So now it became like, 1st Jan 2026 to 31st Jan. If you have to increase it, we can do that as well. So, which city are you from, sir?
Bangalore.
Bangalore itself. Okay, great. And we have a website here. So IHRD
Mm. Dot
IN.
I www dot.
Great.
So this template is for verification.
This template is basically, this is an event which is being created for this bulk generation.
Mm.
So in this set, whatever certificates will come will have this naming,
Okay.
right? We have one template that is available here. If you want to verify, you can quickly click on preview and you can have a look
Mm.
and then select it. Now, here is the interesting part. It is asking select contact list, but we took a new account, but we did not
Mm.
add any contact. So we'll click
Mm.
on this and we'll see, okay, there is no contact list here. So what we need to do is we need to go here to the contact section, and we need to add new contact here. Now there are multiple ways to add. One is you can write in the manual way, Rana Jayant, this is my email and this is my data. I can simply add it from here. The other way of doing the same stuff but for bulk is you can go with bulk import. Here you'll be able to import 10, 50, 100, 500 data directly from CSV file. So what we have done is, like, we have explained everything, and we have given a sample CSV file that can be downloaded and you can open it. This is opening in code, but we have other option. Let's open this directly in sheets.new. We can copy this data, paste it, and split as column. So what happened here is, like, you have all the data points and you have everything that's needed. Now it may look little bit more, like it has 26 different variables. These are common variables. What if you don't have 26? No problem. What you need to have is just this two data points, business email, full name. If you want to use this, you can use it, but if you don't have it, there is no mandation. Okay. So what we'll do here is we'll simply put the data. This is also my other email. I'll just add it here. Then I will add Tarun's email, Tarun, and then for Tarun I will just take and then, so what we have here is, now we have two different data points which are over here. We will name the sheet so that we are clear. IHRD 31st Jan demo certificate generation. Now once this is done, we can simply download the data. We can download it as a CSV file. File has been downloaded. We'll go back to import contacts once again. We'll go here. We'll simply pull the data. It got uploaded. Enter. Now if you see, it has pulled all the data, especially the first row data, automatically, and then it is showing here. Here it pulled all the data and it is showing me here. Now what if I want to add one more name? I forgot it. Okay, no problem. Let's do one thing. We'll add Rana, just Rana, and Jayant, and then we'll write one Gmail. But this contact is already added. So what we'll do is we'll play one trick where it can identify as a new email. +2. And we simply need to download the data. And we can again import the same stuff. We can go back here, we can go to bulk import, and we can do it. So the reason why I'm showing you this is like, it's pretty simple. No need to get confused here. And once we do this, like, what happens that all your data gets imported. So I'll go back again here, I'll pull it. Okay, done, done. Everything is clear. If we have to add any kind of new marking imported on, we can add 31st Jan 2026. This is just for our reference. It will get added as a custom variable, some advanced feature. Now, if you remember here, it was saying that, okay, select the contact list. Now, what this feature is giving us is like, it is asking, do you want to create a new contact list or you want to go for existing? Now we don't have any existing, so we need to create a new one. So what we'll do here is we'll write 31st Jan 2026, source is CSV file, imported data from Google Sheet. Now why are we filling all this? Well, filling just for reference. In case we have to refer in future, we'll just refer that and we'll make it happen. Now we are here. In total we had 3 contacts and we are importing all of that. It is the final stage of review. Once we review and click import, all the contacts will get imported. We can see the contacts by going here. 3 got imported. 1 we had from the manual action that we did at that time, adding it manually. So total we got 4. Okay. Now we got 4. 1 was added manually, 3 were added normally. So if you see here, 31st Jan 2026, we got 3 contacts here, but we got 4 contacts here. Why we got 4 contacts? Because 1 was added and we did not add it to contact list. So we'll go ahead and we'll add here, like we can add all of this as contact list. And what happens here is all the certificates that we have done, like we are planning to generate, can be generated here. Is it becoming a bit complex to you?
I think so.
I see. So
Yeah.
I'm actually showing you all the possible ways, So the ideal way is like you do the design, you do the contact, and you do the generation. Okay. But you as an institute owner, you want to know all your options, and for that reason I'm showing you all the features. Otherwise, once everything is set up, let us say that you got all your contact list done here, then it's basically a matter of time. You just simply need to go, like, your design is done, your contact is done, go to bulk generate, enter everything that we were doing earlier. uh, select the design, and then you have the contact list here. At that time we had none, but now we have 4. We'll just simply click next. Then what is the email that you want to send? Dear candidate, please find your certificate attached
Can you create an email and attach to this?
custom email. Yes,
We can thank you for participating in this event held on such a date. Here is your certificate, like that. Can you make?
yes, this is what we are writing. So dear candidate, please find your certificate attached below for IHRD. Let's Do you want to call it course, or you want to call it something else?
No, we call as workshop or training program.
Held, let's say held on 31st Jan 2026. Done.
Mm.
Best regards, Siraj. If you want to add some phone number, email, feel free to do so. So this is the email that will be sent to the candidates. Okay.
Mm.
Here you will have to click send email to recipients. Why? Because sometimes you don't want to send them email. You just want to have certificate to yourself, and you want to keep it as PDF or JPG. So we have given our option. When do you want to send? Today. Okay, good. This is the final review process. This is what it looks like. This is the contact list, 4 contacts in total. Okay, do you want to verify the design? Go ahead and verify the design quickly. It will show you, okay, this is the design. Fine, let's do confirm and generate. Now here it says congratulations, all certificates will be generated and sent. Will be generated and sent. That means that once you click start, it doesn't immediately do. What it does is it sends to its high configuration servers to generate it based on the size. Like let us say you want to generate 500 or 1000, it will take some time and it will generate and send. But if you have a small number, like right now we have just 4, it will immediately, like, start to generate and send. So you can see here total contact 3, certificates generated 3, and 3 is already generated and sent as well. So now you can see that it has, like, it has completed 4 also. So small number, quickly it happened. But once you have a size, it will take little bit of time. Just keeping you updated about it.
Okay.
Right. Here we have all the certificates that we generated available here. We can simply click and we can simply see how the certificates has been generated. You can see here Rana Jayant as a name, and everything else is the same. We have a QR code as well. If you want to download this certificate, you can simply click here on the download button, and it will basically give you the PDF file. Okay, this is how it looks like. What if you have 50 of certificate? Do you need to click 50 times download? No, just click here, download all certificate. It will take little bit of time. What it does is it combines all the certificates in a single file, zip file, and it basically gives you as a single zip file, which you can basically take to a printing company, or you can keep it internal if you want to. So this is the zip file. Simply open it. You go inside from here, and then here you go. Like you have all the certificates right here in PDF format as well as JPG format. Got it?
Can we can we print a series of numbers?
Yes, we can print a series of numbers.
Anytime we make one certificate, it should keep issuing the new number.
Yes, that can be done.
Uh,
Yes.
and the series should continue for 1 year, let's say.
The series will continue, like, a number will get added in the end, and then it will continue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like that.
Yes, it can be done.
And if someone checks the certificate after 1 year, will it be there in the archives or?
It will be there in their email. It
Uh,
will also be there on our platform if the company is continuing with us. It will be there. Yeah.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is how it works, sir.
Mm.
Yeah.
Can we have multiple variables like date, the program title,
Yes.
all this?
Absolutely. Absolutely, we can have multiple variables. No problem at all. You can have as many number of variables, and you can add custom variable as well. I told you at that time that okay, we have till z, this is like 26. What if tomorrow you got something new? No problem, you just need to take here, there is a process for this, and for all of this we have videos, sir, so you don't need to worry about it. We need to take var underscore and whatever you want to, like, add here. Let us say grade, or you want to take something more also. Let's say CGPA. Now we had 3 data points. So CGPA, let us say 9, 8, 9, 9.5. Grade A, B plus, A plus plus, A. So these are the 2 data points. What we need to do again? Okay, IHRD. We'll write version 2 here for our reference. We'll simply download the file once again. CSV file. Now we have new data point. So what do we do with the new data point? Okay, let us do one thing. 3 important steps for every generation, right? We got to make our design. So we are doing a change in our certificate. So what we'll do is we'll duplicate this design and write it that this is version 2 of design for our safety. Version 2, rename it. Renaming is done. Okay, let's open it. Here we have 2 different variables. We got grade. What we will do here is we'll go here. Once this is done, we can simply save it. Now we got these variables and this is for version 2. So what we'll have to do here is we'll have to do quick changes in the email. So I'm just adding one trick here which just behaves it like a same email, but these are the email will be sent to jayantkumarrana@gmail.com only, but just 3 will be plus 3 is basically making this contact unique in our system. So this is just for the test. Okay, CSV, this is version 2. Wait, we'll go here. Now we need to do the import. Here the variables got detected automatically. Var grade You can see here custom variable, it got automatically detected, grade and then CGPA. If we want to add anything common to everyone, you can add it as well. So you can say, let's say, exam name, and you can say first mid, anything that is for your reference. Like, I'm just giving you options where you have option to do that. Okay, we are going to create a new contact list, and that new contact list is going to be 31st Jan. First of all, IHRD 31st V2 and 31st Jan 2026. Source is CSV imported from Google. Everything is active. This data point, in the end we can see that okay, automatically the data has been added. Great. Now if you see, we got the contacts. It is also showing us that it has some kind of variable here. Okay, custom variable. What if we want to edit the data now after it has been imported? No problem. We can go, we can click here, we can click on edit, and here it will show you all the data points. So we had two coming from CSV file, and here we just added one from our end. What if we want to change it? What if this grade has to be A triple A? Fine, do that. Variable value updated successfully. Great. Now if you go and check it, then in that case you'll see this is another contact. You'll see that the latest data is updated here. So what is happening here is that all the data is being updated, and now we can do the generation. This is our V2. We have a new contact list. This is V2. Send email to recipients. Click here, confirm and generate. Again, it will take a little bit of time, and then it will start sending. One is generated and sent. Great. You can see here that grade 9 and grade, okay, I should have written here CGPA, but it's my mistake. So it's a CGPA 9 and grade A. So automatically the mapping has been done. And the rest of the process just remains same. You can download all certificates, you can see it, and so on and so forth.
So where does the integration with social media take place?
Sure. So if you see this certificate,
So which means the recipient has to share directly from his account.
That is correct. That is correct. So, what happens here is like all the candidates get the URL as well of the certificate.
Mm.
If you scan this QR code, you will be taken, like that is the verification part, you will be taken to this URL,
Mm.
and candidate will also have this URL. So, simply to add it on their LinkedIn, they can simply click here.
What about Instagram is missing?
We have not really added Instagram. Do you want Instagram to be there?
Yes, yes. These days, the young people use more of Instagram.
Got it, got it. So sure, we'll just add Instagram here as well, so that if they want to add it, sure, they can add it on Instagram as well. So there are two types of social media feature. In LinkedIn, there is one advanced feature where you can add your certificate also on your profile. So of course
Uh,
people, yeah, so of course people share the post, but there is also this option to add, and we have integrated it. Here
mm,
it is writing IHRD first mid exam 31st
mm.
Jan. Now we were doing just for the test, so we wrote this date, but of course we can, like, change it, no problem. Issuing name, mixed commerce client, can we change this? Yes, of course we can change it. In the settings we need to go and map our social media, it will work. Okay, now once this is done, uh, LinkedIn doesn't allow directly to change the issue month, from our integration options. It should be chosen manually. So whatever feature we have, we have tried to add it completely. For example, this credential will never expire, but LinkedIn is saying that no, you have to write the expiry here. So yeah, these platforms have their some of their own, things. So we can simply add couple of things here. 35, 36. Sure.
So how to give the expiry date?
In expiry date, in the configuration we have expiry date.
Uh,
Yeah.
so generally, do organizations give the expiry date?
No.
The Western organization,
Yeah.
they say valid for 3 years or 4 years, like that.
Correct. So that completely depends on
Mm.
organization.
Uh,
Yeah. So here, if you see, automatically it went in licenses and certification. Automatically it is showing IHRD first mid exam 31st Jan 2026. If I want to see this credential, I can simply click there, and it takes me to the same certificate.
mm.
Now here is the fun part. Here you have mixed commerce client. Because it was a new account, nothing is configured. But what can be configured is we'll write AHRD here. We can link home page, about page directly from here, and we'll put a phone number here.
Mm.
So if someone is coming from LinkedIn to here,
Mm.
they'll be like, okay, this is new, this is interesting, I want to know the course price, or I want to do the course. What do I do? Well, there is a phone number, you can call directly. So what is happening, that you got branding because someone added certificate, and you also got new lead because someone is interested. So that way the social media feature is getting interesting here. So this is how it works, sir. Do you have any questions till here?
No.
Yeah. Okay, great. So you, I'll be sharing you this recording as well for your
Yeah,
reference.
or if you have your own recording where it is clearly explained the steps to be followed.
Yes, yes, we absolutely have recording and tutorial where, we go around and we show you how the data should be imported, how contact should be created, how design should be made. So we do have tutorials for all of that on our YouTube also. So
Is it possible to share the demo links so that I can try out one or two certificate generation independently
uh,
with confidence?
demo links are, we can't share the accounts because before, the token amount, we can't really share the account.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is how the process looks like. It will literally be the same for you as well.
It looks little difficult. Maybe one or two times if you do it, it may
Yeah, yeah, and
become clear with it.
Yeah, yeah, and don't worry about, like, if you get stuck anywhere. First thing is, like, we have got all the tutorial 24/7 available, and second is we are available if you get stuck at some place, or we are always one message away from you.
Where
So
is your office, in Bangalore or Hyderabad?
I'm right now here in HSR Bangalore. The office is
Oh,
in High Tech City. Yeah, I'm here in HSR only.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
So
in case we have any queries, we can come and meet you.
no need to even meet. Just send a message. We'll do a Google Meet and we'll fix it. If something is
Okay.
taking a little bit long, we'll let you know that, sir, this will take a little
Not
bit
any
time.
complex issues, it may not require, but
Yeah.
if there are any complex issues.
Yeah, yeah. Don't worry about it, sir. Everything is online. So what we have done is, like, we have Tarun. Tarun is sitting somewhere in Delhi. I'm
Mm.
sitting somewhere in Bangalore. There are
Mm.
people who are working in Hyderabad. So we are distributed. If anything is needed, we are here. Great. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rana.
Thank you very much, sir. I will send you the video that is recorded here,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
also other information will be shared. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank
Sure.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.